Yeah!
Alright, yeah! We're here!
To the amazing place.
To the amazing place.
Here. Boy.
What?
Yeah.
We're here. Boy. This is a English challenge only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
English only, ha? No Tagalog, no
Yeah.
Spanyol, no...
Uy, what's that?
What?
What's that? What's that noise?
Boy, look at the waiting shed. This is...
The creepy waiting shed.
We saw abandoned
Waiting shed.
I think it's haunted.
Oh,
Yeah.
haunted.
We're here in the forest.
Anyway, we have
You know, we're here in the forest.
Pizza.
Yeah, we're here in the forest.
Mukbang. We're gonna make mukbang here.
I thought
Inside the car.
I thought it's gonna be...
I thought like a... What? What? I'm sorry. Oh, it's right.
English only.
It's only...
It's a
English
ride,
only.
it's a ride.
I thought it's
a what? It's a what?
Going an easy vlog, but I saw the paligid.
We saw the surroundings.
The surroundings and
is
there's
very
a lot of
creepy.
Plenty of what?
Of trees.
Plenty of trees because
This is a forest.
this is a forest.
Guys.
Guys, what?
Look
Guys.
at the waiting shed.
Guys,
my
it's so
goodness, look.
guys, look at the front.
Hey, we have
Look at the front.
The camera there is very...
It's very dark.
We have a shot there. Shot.
look at the waiting shed.
Oh my goodness.
The waiting shed.
Okay, let's eat.
It's very creepy.
I'm hungry. Where's the...
That waiting shed is
what?
is abandoned
We know.
because no more people allowed in there
Oh my goodness.
because
Oh, here, go.
there's no more
We're gonna eat pizza.
This
There-
is Yellow Cab.
there's no more
There's
no more. Boss M, shout out. Lintan, shout out.
The one who sponsored our...
Boy,
Why?
I'm scared.
No, what?
Really?
Yeah.
When we set up the camera, I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yeah,
You open the
I'm
door,
also
right?
too.
Yeah?
And there's
There's what?
There's something.
There's
There's
something.
There's
Move
thing.
the door. I'm so scared.
It's very creepy.
My heart is so pumping.
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 Sorry, is that you? Oh, I'll put some hot sauce, ha?
Oh, I'm pumped up.
To,
my
to
ear.
level our... to level our...
Boy, my ear!
Yeah, where's your ear?
It's
Woo!
ringing. Oh my goodness.
What is that?
It's busy. That is busy. You call that it's busy.
It's because
Here's some
we are in the
chili
highest place because
Oh
it's the
my
forest.
God!
What?
Yeah, what?
Oh my God!
What?
This is a wrong camera. Wait,
Wrong camera.
you continue.
Okay. Okay, guys, we
As
eat.
for now,
We're gonna eat.
pizza.
Here's
Here's one slice.
We're gonna eat this.
What's that?
It's chicken in a Ronnie.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
chicken.
No, that's
It's amoy
hot
chicken.
chicks. Hot chicks.
Grabe guys, ang nakakatakot
Look, I'm
yung
gonna
labas.
eat right now.
Ayan.
Wow. You know what?
I'm sorry. I speak English. Tagalog. Sorry. Sorry guys.
You know what? I miss Yellow Cab.
It's the English challenge.
After a few months,
English mukbang challenge.
4 months,
What's this? What's
haven't eaten
this?
this one.
What's this? What's this, man? What's this?
Mom, what's that?
What's this?
What's that?
What's this?
What's that?
And also this.
Oh,
This.
that's what you call hot chicks. And that's the Charlie Chan.
Hot Chicks and Charlie Mankins?
Charlie Chan.
Charlie Chans.
What?
Are you shouting?
No,
Oh.
Are you shouting?
no. Why?
Are you shout?
Are you shout?
Shout? No,
shouting.
we don't shout out.
You shout?
We don't shout out.
No. Then I'm gonna make shout out. Okay. Shout out!
Oh yeah.
Shout out to Lintan! And shout out to Boss M!
Yeah.
And
We're gonna eat.
Lovable Nikki! Yeah.
Yeah, it's you. You shout. I'm scared, man. Man, I'm so scared.
You
Yeah,
man?
man.
Yeah, man?
I'm very scared. I'm at the back.
What kind of vlogger are you? You don't see the camera in the pizza.
No, I present it
Ah.
to go. Pizza?
And this one, the chicken
The
and the ano.
chicken. This one is a pizza. It's a New York pizza.
Oh,
New York, the finest, the
no.
New York finest pizza.
New York's finest, okay?
New York finest pizza in the house.
Okay, children.
Okay, children,
Don't
Don't what? Don't try this at home.
don't try this at home.
yeah, don't try this at all. Our English is too bad, okay?
Yeah, it's very, very bad.
Too good. Too good to be true.
My English is bad.
But my English is not good.
But
But what?
his face is bad too.
No, my face is
My
very good.
my English is I'm speechless.
This is Echo, Jericho. Jericho Echo.
Yeah. Jericho is my favorite artist.
Yum. Look, yummy. You know what? After 4 months, I went in this one. This is my first time again.
Eat pizza.
Yeah.
Because,
Yellow cab.
because you're so primitive.
No, I'm stupid.
No, you're so primitive.
Yeah.
You're
So
primitive.
poor.
Wow.
I feel creepy.
You feel creepy?
I feel creepy at my place.
What?
I feel creepy at my place.
At your place? What's your place? First place, second place, third place.
Look at the waiting shed.
All the place.
Yeah, we know the waiting shed. You
The
dumb
waiting
ass.
shed. It's so very creepy.
Oh my goodness.
My mic.
Yellow cab is very good. So yummy. So
yummy.
so what? Can I have a hot chicks?
Hot chicks.
Huh?
The sexy one
Hot chicks.
I think something
Move?
there.
What?
in the center, no?
No. There's no one there.
In the center,
Maybe you're
Is someone speaking?
No. You're hallucinating. It's just It's just flicker. It's like in your thought,
in your mind,
in your mind. No.
your hard mind.
Where's that chicken? Hot chicks.
Hot chicks.
May I taste the hot chicks? Wow.
Yeah, the chicks
Look
one.
at that, ma'am. This is so spicy. They call it hot chicks. So hot.
Look at the waiting shed, man.
Wow.
Yeah,
It tastes good.
there's
man.
something, there's something in my side.
It's so dark outside.
Yeah, I know.
There's something
You
in my
know,
side.
stupid.
There's something in my side.
What side?
My right side.
What? What is your right side?
They tick tack the.
Di TikTok? What? TikTok?
It's so dark.
So dark, my God.
Kindly close.
Good na.
No, I can close it.
Please close.
No, close it.
No.
No, close.
This one I will open.
So you're
Open
scared.
you.
Don't open that.
Open.
Oh my goodness.
Open.
No, I open that. So you're scared.
I'm scared.
You're so scared.
Guys, you count the no and the
I'm
yes of
scared.
these two dumb ass, okay?
I'm scared. My
What?
my pubic hair is
Oh my
is
goodness,
Oh my God, you're pubic hair.
Your pubic hair? Do you have pubic hair?
Where's your pubic hair?
Is that your
I thought this pubic hair.
No, this is not pubic hair.
Are you a
What
sex?
you call that?
You look like sex organ
What did you
because
call
you
that?
have pubic hair.
What
What you
kind
call
of,
that?
what kind of organ?
Feminine organ.
Look at outside. It's so dark.
Bro, this is creepy, man.
Bro.
This is creepy.
Hey, yo, bro.
What we are doing is so creepy.
Hey, bro, are you on drugs?
Look at the waiting shed, man.
I'm gonna close.
What the close?
I imagine either someone in the
You're someone?
in the window.
No? Guys, look at the...
I imagine it.
Later, I'm gonna show you outside, okay?
Guys,
We're gonna walk outside and
The
gonna
outside
explore,
is so
okay?
very creepy.
Guys,
it's
we're
so
going-
forest.
we're going back here and we're gonna speak Tagalog, okay? Because I
Yeah.
can't express my feelings today.
Oh my God, are you in love?
It's
Oh
hard.
my God.
It's hard,
I'm so scared,
You're
but
so
I
hot.
can't express it.
Oh my
today.
God.
but you're hard. You're hard right now?
No, I'm not hard.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm scared.
Oh, okay. Hard-headed.
Yeah.
You know what?
You know,
You know?
you talk
You-
talk loud, okay?
I talk loud or this one? Just
You.
Because of the
I'm
mic.
here.
Because of the mic.
Mike is very, very,
I talk loud.
No, yeah.
You give me the mic.
I try it again.
Okay.
May I taste the,
This one.
Charlie Chan?
Charlie Chan.
Wow.
I wanna taste that. I don't have taste that before.
Taste the Charlie Chan. It's
Give me
very-
one.
Give me one.
Give me one.
Give me one shot.
The
One
hell?
shot,
What the fat?
What the put?
Oh, hey, look, I'm gonna eat this one.
It's so yummy.
I know you. This is your favorite ball
Yeah.
because you're so social climber. You can afford it.
I'm gonna give you.
You only eat it
Okay,
when
I'm
you're
gonna
so
give you chicken.
when you're free, when it's free.
When it's free? Oh my God. Tartar free.
It's so yummy. The yellow cab chicken is so yummy.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not ice cream, but it's yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's yummy. What you call that again?
Don't look at that.
Huh? So creepy. Look at outside. See up the ruins? Ruin, ano?
We need to
Ruin
come
waiting.
back here and speak Tagalog, okay?
Yeah.
Later we're gonna speak Tagalog. Ah! God
Mali.
damn it!
Mali, bato.
I'm sorry.
May palo
I'm
mo.
sorry.
We're gonna hit everyone if you speak Tagalog, okay?
I'm sorry.
No speaking Tagalog, okay? This is the English version. The hardest part. Don't say Spanish, don't say Nipongo.
Wait, I hear some.
Japanese, don't.
I hear some.
Hey, don't
No, there.
Don't close
There.
it. You open.
It's creepy.
No.
No, we're eating.
No, open you.
Yum.
You open you.
It's, yum.
Ah, this one not open. Get it close. So creepy.
What is that? What's the chicken sound?
You hear that?
Yeah. I heard it.
It's a very, very,
Oh,
So very creepy, man.
it's very creepy. Where's my other?
Wow, sarap.
This one, mine.
Very yummy and very tasty. Charlie Chan, very tasty. Oh, we
Hey,
have
but-
mushrooms.
No, not
Mushrooms
that.
from
That's
the
mine.
Charlie Chan
This
and
mine.
some nuts with meat of chicken.
I love this, no,
Where's my phone? I need my phone.
That's my phone.
No, the other phone. Here.
So yummy.
We're gonna pay because it's so scary here. Look at the mountain, man.
Mountain?
Yeah, the mountain so high.
Look at the.
Mountain so high. My goodness. Is that a song?
Look at the waiting shed.
Oh, waiting shed. What?
What?
Oh my God.
What? The mountain is high.
You know what? Every 10 in the evening, there's no one driving here in our
Yeah.
place.
That's why
This
we
is-
are the only.
We have this
People
place
here.
have only 10 p.m. curfew. No one will pass
Whoa!
by. Oh, what?
This ghost tube. I'm scared to that.
Hey, Ghost Tube, are you there?
I'm scared.
Are you here?
Are you here? Are you there? Are you everywhere?
Are you here?
I'm scared. Yeah.
You hurt me.
Oh, you hurt. Where? Where did
The
you
boys
hurt
is scared.
Why you hurt? Are you heartbroken?
Heartbroken. My goodness.
Heartbroken. My goodness.
Shut up. Yeah, look, let's eat. Ooh. Where's the hot chicks? Can I have one hot chicks?
No, one only.
Ah,
You
you already ate
two.
all?
No, I eat one.
What?
I eat one.
What happened to the others?
This are 5 pieces only.
5 pieces only? You ate 4?
4. You eat 2. You eat too much.
Very yummy. Very tasty. Hot chicks. Huh? Look, hot.
Sarap.
So delicious. Oh, sarap.
Very bad. No English. No
No
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
No Tagalog.
God damn it.
If you said Tagalog, I will hit you.
No, it's too very hard.
Okay. I carried away.
It's so delicious.
Yeah.
It's so
You know what?
delicious.
Oh God. Oh
This is my
God.
favorite. Hot chicks. No. When I saw hot chicks, I ate them all.
Wow.
Yeah,
I ate them all?
Hot chicks.
Mm.
Oh, exactly. Kita mo.
Exactly.
See?
The ghost no.
Oh, what? Drink. You
Drink.
drink. Let's drink to that.
Drink.
Let's drink
The
to that.
ghost know you're a
Drink, drink.
maniac.
Huh? The nose, no? The
Hey,
nose, no?
Hey, Boss Bino, the ghost knows Boss is a maniac.
Yeah. This guy is a maniac.
I'm throwing trash. Okay.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, man.
No. This is biodegradable. This will decompose.
No, that's true. But you're gonna.
But don't do
Make
that.
litter? No.
Witchcraft.
No.
Don't drop it.
Where would I put it?
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water?
This is
No,
my
there's
second
no
pizza.
water.
Oh. Give me one. Okay.
This is my second pizza.
Pizza? Pista?
The pizza is so lovable
Hello, Ghost
and
Tube, are you
incredible.
Well,
there? Hello, Ghost, are you
Ghost
there?
Tube, are you there?
oh, very hard. Ow, my
You
goodness.
like it hard.
Oh, it wet.
Water is good.
Ow, this is my water. You haven't paid it. 75.
Oh my God, you don't.
Oh my
You
goodness.
said you gotta pay it.
No, we quit because the pizza and the other food is so expensive.
So very high.
You make what?
I fine.
You're fine.
Fine.
You have fine.
Yeah.
You're fine. I know you're
Yeah,
fine.
I'm fine, but I'm fine.
But you're what?
extra dollar.
Extra dollar?
Yeah, I give extra dollar.
Oh,
to this.
you give
Yeah.
extra dollar to that?
Yeah.
My goodness.
And I tip the.
You tip
Cashier.
what?
The cashier.
What? Really?
And
How much?
also the guard.
I keep $10.
$10?
Yeah.
And also the guard.
You know you're so rich. $10?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, my goodness. Oh.
Because the guard say, oh, you're famous.
Oh,
So
really?
that's why we gave some money.
Ah, okay, let's eat to that. Oh, I'm gonna eat the Charlie Chan. Okay, look at the Charlie Chan. Oh, yummy. Taste this one. Ah.
Yummy. The yellow cab is so yummy.
Look. The Boston haven't said anything.
Yeah. Be quiet. Why is that?
Because we're going English. Hello,
Okay.
YouTube again. Are you there?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Water. They need water.
Okay, water.
We're gonna give you water.
Here's the water.
Mm.
I'll drink it to you.
Okay, let's drink to that. Ow! My goodness.
That's called soup.
Soup?
Yeah.
Soup.
I like that. I like
is
this.
Soup drink.
I like the taste.
Do you like the taste of the Charlie Chan? This is the best selling in the.
I don't eat that before. I eat that today. My English so very bad.
Whatever.
Behind you.
Who's behind me?
He said behind you. Look,
Who said? What's the name of behind me?
behind.
I have chicken pa.
No, the
What?
waiting shed is so very
Oh, dead now.
dead. Ay,
Dead.
behind me dead.
Behind you is dead.
It's so creepy.
It's so creepy.
Creepy man.
Oh, are you recording? No,
Yes,
we're not recording.
No,
this
no,
one.
no.
We're
Yes,
doing
we're
some vlog.
recording.
No,
We're
doing
just
some vlog.
filming.
Mm.
For bragging.
Why your voice is like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, why are you boys like that?
What?
Okay.
Bring it to me.
Bring it to me.
Angel?
Bring it to me, Angel.
Yeah, this is the yellow cab, not Angel's burger.
Angel's burger.
Not Angel's Pizza. This is
Yeah,
Angel's pizza.
That's Angel's Pizza, but it's Yellow Cab. The one in the intersection of Calamba.
Yeah.
Calamba.
Near in Angel Pizza.
Near in Angels. Yeah. There are rivals. Oh my goodness. Oh, sarap. You're very yummy.
The chicken is so delicious.
Yeah, the Charlie.
So
Charlie
delicious.
Chan. I like this one. Charlie Chan. Wow. No more. It's white. No left behind. No leftovers. My goodness.
I always look at the
Yeah.
waiting shed because I'm so scared.
Me
so
too.
scared.
Me too. I thought someone sitting there.
Sitting there. Oh,
Well,
success.
success.
Success on our Charlie Chan.
Are you pooping?
Ah,
Are you pooping?
pooping.
This is success.
Oh my God.
I know.
The reason why he said success because we ate all the Charlie Chan. Yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand you.
You make you make yaya. No yaya. We don't have any maids or house servants. We're here.
Eat some pizza.
Go get some
some.
pizza.
Eat.
You
Eat.
how about you? You eat then.
Eat.
You eat too. Why?
So, eat.
You eat.
Yeah. I will eat.
Yeah. You only say yaya.
Because that's only my word.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
no Yaya here.
Yeah, we
There's
don't have, we don't have housemates.
There's Yayo.
How many? We're three. Three.
We're three
We're sharing
stoogies.
We're the three stooges.
Stoogies.
No, three
Stoogies.
monkey tears. Just like
Monkey
Sally
says,
said.
stoogies.
Yeah, Sally
Sally says
said.
we're the monkey tears.
Yeah, Sally says.
Yeah, Sally. Huh?
Sally says.
Yeah, okay, very good. Sally says we're three mancoteers.
What?
I thought
Mancoteers. Mancoteers. I don't
behind
know what.
me is so very creepy. It's so darky.
The goodness, we almost finished this one.
We're
We're almost done. My goodness. Wow. What a. Oh.
What
After this, where we going? We're going outside.
Yeah.
Short. Oh,
This one is short.
I've been short.
Yeah, short.
My height is short.
But Bino is short.
Yeah, he's
My height,
4'11".
my height is short.
Kevin,
Kevin.
Durant?
Durant?
Kevin is short?
can you feel me? No, I can feel me.
Yeah.
No, I can feel you.
Your
Leash.
voice is so
You
very
you know
creepy.
leash? What? That's a dog's leash.
Dog's
Okay.
leash. What's the leash?
So Kevin is a dog.
Yeah, Kevin is a dog with a leash.
Dog.
What's that?
Engot.
You honest.
Oh, that's the Tagalog word.
The Tagalog. Why do you speak Tagalog?
You
You're so stupid.
You
You hit
Oh,
those
bad. Bad, that's bad. We're speaking in English.
Hey, girls.
English
no Tagalog,
only.
okay?
English
So
only,
that
please.
all our subscribers here in America and other
Are
parts of the
watching us.
country may watch them. May watch us pala.
Oh.
Pray.
Pray.
Okay, we'll pray. We're gonna
pray.
pray. In the name of the Father,
Pray.
Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, let's eat. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
There's someone,
Someone what?
someone walking.
Someone watching?
Walking.
Looking?
Walking.
What? Pardon?
Oh,
What?
you repeat
You
it.
repeat
No,
it.
pardon. No, no.
Pardon.
Oh, unfortunate. Unfortunate. Pardon.
I said, I
Maybe he's a
thought
convict.
there's
Pardon.
something,
I'm so full, man.
I thought there's something walking around.
Walking around.
If there's walking around outside,
They're flip.
why we go outside?
Oh, to investigate.
We go outside.
To investigate the area and to find out if there's really hunted there. They're there and everywhere.
If you don't eat the pizza, you're gonna live outside, okay? To be,
To be what?
To be abandoned.
how you call
He
that?
told me
He
what?
told me.
He told me what?
We abandon you.
Slave.
Slave? Why?
The pizza, give the ghost. It's called slave, right?
A slave? No, in Tagalog. In Tagalog, alay.
Okay, what's the use of alay?
Alay?
Offering.
Okay,
We're gonna give them
we're
an
gonna
offering.
give the offering outside, okay?
No,
Okay,
give it to
okay.
Brownie.
Brownie, the dog.
Brownie will heat it up in a microwave, then eat it in the morning.
Brownie.
Yeah,
brownie.
Me!
Brownie is the one.
Give it to the ghost, man!
Ghost doesn't eat, Brownie does.
You're gonna...
You are the brownie.
Yeah, I'm the Brownie.
You're gonna... The ghost gonna hunt you.
No, we talk too
Can't
much.
you see me?
Can you
No,
see
I
me?
don't see you because
Can
Bud's
you see
forehead
me?
is the...
Very shiny.
Very shiny. It's
you
so
see
bright.
So bright, like
This side so very creepy.
shine like a diamond.
Hey, don't whisper.
Shine like a diamond.
Don't whisper. You're whispering
Oh.
your English.
Are you?
Okay, I
don't you
whispering my
whisper.
English.
You use modest, okay?
He swallow.
Oh, swallow.
Swallow?
Don't come. You swallow. Don't come.
He swallow.
Don't come
I swallow.
inside. Come outside.
He swallow his word.
Oh,
Okay.
Swallow doesn't fit with your mouth.
What is swallow?
Swallow.
Swallow? Is
It-
go outside?
No, swallow.
inside.
No,
Go
swallow.
inside.
You got,
Oh!
you gonna.
Go outside is the spit.
Yeah, spit. And swallow.
Swallow is...
Why?
You swallow.
Why you know a lot in that?
I always watch you.
That's bad for the
That's bad.
Oh, that's bad.
But
Oh
for
my
the
Sorry.
YouTube, my
Oh, I don't
goodness,
know.
Baliw. You're so
What?
pathetic.
Pathetic. Oh, stalker. I'm not a stalker. I'm a hitchhiker.
Oh, you're a
See?
checker. You're so very good.
Yeah, very good in English.
Yeah,
What? Oh,
It's so
maybe
dark.
maybe there's a stalker outside.
it's so dark.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
scared.
we're scared.
You also
No,
is
yeah, we're
scared.
very scared. Scared as hell. Pathetic.
Oh,
Oh,
pathetic.
see, you're so
You
pathetic.
see that pathetic? I said that before.
Yeah, that's good. You English must do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
That's
said
the
you're
ghost tube.
pathetic. The ghost tube said you're pathetic.
Yeah,
Is that true?
I'm pathetic. Oh, what? Are you done?
You just shut up. We're gonna go outside one by one.
Okay.
I'll go
This
first,
one
okay?
will go. Boss Reno will go outside then investigate everything.
I'll go first.
Next one.
It's so
who
creepy.
will be the next?
Outside is so very creepy.
It's so very creepy, but I will go there.
But we will go there.
And I will talk to you in Tagalog because they not hear that.
Oh my God, that's
Okay.
wrong. In English, God damn it.
The rules is when you hear
Tagalog words.
but you don't hear when I'm there.
Oh,
Yan,
Sean.
Sean.
Shut the fuck up, okay?
Sean. Hey, Sean.
Hey, Sean! Shine, shine like a diamond! Shine, shine like a diamond!
Oh my goodness, look at
My
that.
goodness, look at Boss
Alam mo,
Reno.
pag nagsasalita ka,
Oh, what?
feeling ko may ibang nagsasalita. Kanina ka pa.
Oh?
Oo,
Yeah?
pag nandito sa labas, pasin mo
Oh, you speak Tagalog.
parang may gumagaya sa'yo.
Talaga?
Oo, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Simon
creepy.
says,
That's creepy.
unquestionably.
Give me the mic because your mouth is so,
So,
you're so loud. Give me the mic.
Give the mic here.
this one?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that one.
that's his mic, not
the,
mic.
The magnet
Oh,
inside.
there's a magnet.
Remove it.
You go outside and we're here inside.
Hindi kasi masasapawan ko kasi siya. Oh, wala.
But they don't hear you because all of their mic is in there.
No, you speak Tagalog. Boss Reno is not here. He's there after.
No, we speak English. We are in a vlog. So
Vlog?
that's why we do it.
What vlog?
Just talk
Talk to
Ghost
what?
Tube.
To YouTube.
Ghost
Okay.
Tube.
YouTube.
Are you in the outside or are you in the inside?
Inside of what?
Inside in the car or outside in the car?
Look at that stupid guy.
Look at that.
Look at that stupid guy.
Look.
Look.
Okay.
Okay daw, he's okay.
Okay.
Look at
Look, Boss Reno.
Look at that stupid guy.
You're going to the
Making video,
Abandon.
making panopis video. He's so stupid. My goodness. A stupid boy exploring in
so creepy.
in a waiting shed.
Creepy waiting shed.
Stupid.
Yeah.
What?
Kinakabahan ako.
What? Oh, what?
Dito
Wait.
na matanda sa lugar na to.
Don't speak Tagalog.
That's why that's why I don't go outside.
When you inside the car, I'm outside the car.
Man.
Shut up, the pot up.
Okay. When you go outside, you speak Tagalog.
Okay.
And when you go inside, we only speak English.
Okay.
Okay, it's understandable.
Okay. We're still eating pizza. There's some leftover.
Okay,
But
get lost.
there's some leftovers, 2 slices of pizza. Maybe we're gonna keep it or we're gonna take it home.
Yan. For Brownlee,
And feed it to
Brownie.
Brownie. Brownie is me.
Brownie. You're
I'm
the
gonna heat it
Brownie.
up and eat it later or tomorrow morning. Okay? I have a
okay.
microwave there or an oven. Just
You're gonna heat it up and then
heat it up in
you're
just 2
eating
minutes. That's okay. Good, my man. What?
your breakfast.
Yeah, it's my
You gotta make
breakfast. You know what?
breakfast,
I'm
okay.
very hungry. When it comes to pizza, I love pizza.
You love pizza.
Yeah, just like American. What's your favorite food?
You finish up. You
Yeah,
finish
I
up.
finish this one. After that, you go outside. Then
Yeah.
explore.
No,
Investigate
No.
everything.
it's so creepy in outside.
You don't want?
No.
Yeah. This two.
No,
This
no.
one.
We go one by one.
No. After that, you go.
Yeah, I go. We go one by one.
After
Don't
that,
go.
you
We don't go
You don't go what?
two of us.
2 of us?
Oh, we go one by one.
Okay, but that's good. Sige. Okay.
That's very good to our vlog.
Okay, that's good. This one I'm gonna make.
Finish that.
No, later. Later, alligator. Later, brownie. I'm gonna put it this one. Oh, yeah.
Finish that.
Later, brownie.
No, finish.
Later, I'm gonna put this one.
Or I'm gonna finish you, my man.
My goodness.
No, Boss Reno is going crazy.
Oh my goodness.
He's going crazy. He's exploring. You're done?
Done? You're not done, you're Reno.
You're done.
Stupid.
Natatakot ako, hindi ako sanay.
No,
Yeah.
you're stupid. You're not done. You're Reno.
That is so creepy. The outside is very creepy.
Oh, this one. But Reno, the small boy.
I'm gonna
Go outside
I'm gonna
the
go
other side. The other side. Okay?
Can I get your
Number? What?
your light?
Oh my God, you're gonna use my... you're gonna use the light.
It's so creepy. It's so creepy. This is the second time that I go to the forest. It's so creepy there.
English. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's so creepy. Look.
I'm gonna throw this away.
Look at that. It's the...
I've just put
that's the creepy...
the leftovers over there.
Creepy tree. Ayan, magtatagalog na ako. Nasa labas na ako. Ito makikita nyo dito. Ito yung daan papuntang UP College. Ayan. Makakadaan ka lang dito. Dun sa gate na yon. Ayun, yung gate na yon. Makakadaan ka lang niya kapag may sticker ka. Pero pag wala kang sticker, hindi ka makakadaan dyan. Ayan. Kaya ito, madalang talaga yung dumadaan dito. Kaya kung makikita nyo, ayun o, napaka-creepy ng lugar. Kasi talagang forest na forest siya. Ayan. Ito. See that? Ito yung pinaka-dati niyang entrance. Ayan o, meron siyang arko. Tapos ito yung daan. So wala talaga siyang madalang yung mga poste ng ilaw dito. Tapos ito yung waiting shed. Ayan, waiting shed na lumang-luma na. So hindi na siya nagagamit. Ayan o. So parang iniwan na talaga siya dito. Ayan. Ayan. Look at that. Ayan. It's the creepy. So much. It's so creepy there. Here. Ayan. I will go there. Ayan. Tabi-tabi po. Ayan. Napapa-English ako. Okay, nasa labas naman tayo, pwede tayo magtagalog. Ayan, ito yung daan. Nakakatakot talaga. Oh, I feel hot in the, I feel hot. Kinilabutan ako doon sa area na yun. Kasi parang, parang pag abante ko, meron ako mainit na naramdaman. Ayan, ayoko na. Kinikilabutan na talaga ako. So, dito na lang ako at papasok na ulit ako sa sasakyan. You want flashlight, Balbaliw? Balbaliw, you want flashlight or not? Ay, meron ka pala, may flashlight. Grabe, ang creepy. Ayun guys, ito, katapos lang namin ng kumain ng yellow crab. Ayun, thank you sa inyong panonood at sa aming creepy mukbang dito sa Picard, UP. Napaka-creepy talaga ng daan na to. Sobra. Walang gaanong ilaw, walang gaanong poste. Kaya sobrang nakakatakot talaga siya. So yun, paano guys? Paalam. Thank you sa inyong panonood. Goodbye!